Guys, welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. I hope you are doing well. I know you're about to ask what is in this box. I so myself don't know, so we're gonna check it out. It's probably from my PR company. Okay, we're gonna open it. I'm so excited. My first PR. Hey, so we're gonna open it. It's a very nice box, you guys think? All right, we're gonna open it. Ooh, we got a letter. We got a letter. All right, it says Bare Beauty. Let's see what's inside. It's like, we want to thank you for using your own money to purchase these items. Hope to see you soon again. We love your money. Peace. Psych! I just wanted to feel very important. So Lego. So today I wanted to switch it up. I wanted to have more content on this channel. So it's not any basic stuff going on over here. So we're going to do unboxing, haul and review, whatever. This was purchased with all my money. I literally spent almost 10 grand, which is like $100 in US, and I don't know how much in Canadian or whatever. So this is what I got. I already unboxed this, and I was like, wait, let me do an unbox haul. Try to do an unbox haul. So I got this, a nipple, because I really needed one. But the problem is that once I start doing this, that happens. So let me show you again. I'll push it back, and then I'll start doing this, and that happens. So I don't know, but I'm not going to try to figure out. So let's move on. So we got some bags of nail decals. Very cute. It's mixed with a lot of stuff. Like, you have animals in there, you have a dog, you have stars, you have a unicorn, you have a smiley face, you have a bunch of stuff in there. I got like 3 bags of it, hoping it would be different stuff. I think it would be very nice. Then you have love, you have a black butterfly. Come on. As I said, I had 3 bags, so it has a bunch of stuff in there, so you can't go wrong. And then I got some dried flowers, so you know videos will be coming soon of these. Some studs, or we got some studs, so you know I'm going to try blinging out nail, because I don't do this on a regular. I'm going to get some more of these because, you know, I'll be doing a lot of videos. And then I got some pearls. Guys, I just think this is so pretty. And you have flowers in there. Let me take them out. They have flowers. Some flowers. I hope you can focus. Some flowers. You have some pearls. I don't know what they call it. These are stones. You have hearts. You have a lot of stuff in. Oh! And I got some foil, nail foil. I didn't realize how soft they were. This is so pretty. This is just regular. Focus now. This is regular silver. Wait. Some more. I don't know what you call this. This is so pretty. Can you focus, please, camera? Okay, this is so pretty. So I got 2 of that, and then I got some more of these studs, these colorful rainbow studs. I'm sure that you guys have seen it around. Yeah, you have green, blue, purple, pink. I don't know, yellow, red, all the colors of the rainbow. And then we got some flames. Yeah, I'm excited to use these. I've seen where persons have been using them. I am ready to use these. So I got two. So two comes in it. As you can see, two. So I only got two. So a total is four. I got four of these. And then I got some acrylic. Nothing fun here to see. This is Mega White because I was running out of white. And then this is Q-Touch. Okay, no, this one. This is Mega White. No, Crystal Clear. But this is clear powder from the brand Q-Touch. Both are from Q-Touch. And then we go further. We have Sally Hansen Gel Shine 3D Top Color. I can't wait to use this. I just can't wait to use it. So it has the instructions at the back, what it is, how it works. You don't have to use no UV or LED light, which is a plus for me because you know the result that you will get and how to use it. And it's also removed with nail polish remover. So yeah, that's a plus. So this is how it comes. Very classy. I like it. I like the bottle. I like the bottle. The brush. The brush is big and nice. Can't wait to use that. So yes. So these are the stuff that I got from the beauty store. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification just to see you when I upload, because I'm trying to upload twice a week for this month. Let's see how I do. Alright, thank you so much. Thank you so very much for watching. Have an awesome day. Peace. I'm out.